The flamingo is one of the most elegant and visually striking birds in the natural world, instantly recognizable by its long legs, curved neck, and beautiful pink feathers. But behind this graceful appearance lies a fascinating life journey filled with survival, adaptation, and incredible natural science. The life of a flamingo begins in a quiet nesting ground, usually near shallow lakes, lagoons, or saltwater wetlands. A flamingo's life starts from a single egg laid on a cone-shaped mud nest built carefully by both parents. These nests rise slightly above the water to protect the egg from flooding. The egg is white and fragile, yet inside it, a new life slowly develops. For about 27 to 31 days, both the male and female flamingo take turns incubating the egg, standing patiently under the hot sun or strong winds. This shared responsibility strengthens the bond between the parents and increases the chick's chances of survival. When the egg finally hatches, a flamingo chick emerges, covered in soft gray or white down feathers. Unlike its elegant parents, the newborn chick has short legs and a straight beak. At this stage, the chick is completely dependent on its parents. It cannot walk properly, cannot fly, and cannot search for food on its own. The parents feed the chick a special nutrient-rich liquid known as crop milk, produced in their digestive system. This milk is packed with proteins and fats, helping the chick grow quickly in the harsh wetland environment. During the first few weeks, the chick remains close to the nest, protected by its parents and the safety of the flamingo colony. Living in large groups is one of the flamingo's strongest survival strategies. Thousands of flamingos nest together, reducing the risk of predators such as eagles, foxes, or wild dogs. As the chick grows stronger, it begins to walk and explore its surroundings, slowly developing balance on its long legs. As weeks turn into months, the chick's body grows rapidly. Its legs become longer, its neck stretches, and its beak begins to curve downward. At this stage, young flamingos often gather in large groups called creches, where thousands of chicks stay together while parents search for food. This system allows adults to travel long distances in search of nutrition while the young remain relatively safe within the group. One of the most fascinating aspects of a flamingo's life is its diet. Flamingos feed mainly on algae, tiny crustaceans, plankton, and small aquatic insects found in shallow water. To find food, a flamingo lowers its head upside down into the water and uses its uniquely shaped beak as a natural filter. The beak traps food particles while muddy water flows out. This feeding technique is so efficient that flamingos can spend hours slowly walking through water, sweeping their heads from side to side in search of nutrients. The famous pink color of flamingos does not come from birth. Young flamingos are gray or pale white. Their pink color develops over time due to pigments called carotenoids found in their food, especially algae and small shrimp. The richer the diet, the brighter the pink feathers become. A healthy, brightly colored flamingo is often more attractive to potential mates, making color an important part of their survival and reproduction. As flamingos mature, they begin to travel long distances in search of suitable feeding and breeding grounds. Some species migrate across countries and even continents, flying in large flocks in a V-shaped formation. Their long wings and lightweight bodies allow them to travel efficiently, sometimes covering hundreds of kilometers in a single journey. Despite their delicate appearance, flamingos are strong flyers capable of surviving extreme weather and changing environments. Adult flamingos continue their elegant feeding routines throughout their lives, often standing on one leg to conserve body heat and energy. This iconic pose is not just for beauty, it is a smart adaptation that helps them survive in cold water. Their social nature, strong pair bonds, and cooperative nesting behavior make flamingos one of the most successful birds in wetland ecosystems. From a fragile egg resting on a mud nest to a graceful pink bird searching for food in shallow waters, the life of a flamingo is a remarkable journey of patience, teamwork, and adaptation. It is a perfect example of how nature combines beauty with survival, turning a simple wetland bird into one of the most admired creatures on Earth.